Do you feel like the odds is stacked against you, that things are not going the way that you've hoped? Now, there's this account in the Bible of Jacob and his two wives. Rachel, whom he liked a lot. It was, in fact, his favorite wife. And Leah, the one he was tricked into marrying. The wife that didn't ever really have any favor with Jacob. Now, here's the thing. We know that Jesus was born from the tribe of Judah. And guess what son Leah gave birth to? She gave birth to a son named Judah. And we read that when Jacob passed away, he wasn't buried next to Rachel. He was buried next to Leah. And so, folk, I want to encourage you with this, is keep seeking God's face. Keep walking close to Him. Keep walking in obedience to Him. God has a plan. Stay close to Him. It will work out.